let's talk about roof shades and side shades for Toyota Alphard or Vellfire. This is the roof shades and this is the side shades. There's few switches to control it: the front, the center and the side individually. I'll start with the front. On the left is the roof shades and right is the side shades. Alright, open, close, same to this. Now you can see close, open. I'll start with the roof shades first. Yeah, for the front, it control both together. If I flip it to open, means that both will open, or close, both will close lah. Right? It doesn't matter which one is open, which one is closed. Okay, now I just flip close. This switch control both together. Right? It control both together. You cannot choose which to open, which to close. Same goes to the side shades. Yeah, close, open. This one is halfway, right? This is halfway, and this is open. Now I choose to close all. It's all closed. Okay, means that the switch to the front, it control all together. So let's move to the center. The switches are over here. Side shades and roof shades. Okay, left and right. The side shades here is for the window, right? And the roof shades, now you can control individually. Okay, this is the switch for the center, the roof shades. So now you can control individually instead of both together like the front. As for the side shades, right, you can see the switch is over here. There's two. You can choose left or right. Alright, but alright, there's two on the left and two on the right. So this switch, it control both together. Okay, left for the left side and right for the right side. Okay, it control both together. This was closed, this was open. Okay, if I choose to close it, okay, only one moving. Okay, and then if I choose to open it, oops, sorry, then this will be open. So for the side shades, the front here control all four together. At the center here is control either left side, both together, or right side. The switch here is individual. There's 4. 2, 3, and 4. This is how the switches work for the latest model. And then for the glass, you can't open the glass. Alright, for the latest model, you can only open or close the shades. The glass for this sunroof is fixed. You can't open it. Sunroof for the Alphard is optional. It's not like Vellfire. Vellfire comes with standard, I mean the latest one. So to know more about the difference between the latest Alphard and Vellfire, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.